We're releasing a new update. It's subtle, but actually a very significant improvement to scanning or updating scans. As it was previously known, we have a new button in the same location called Add to Scan. And it is a lot more accurate and carries through a lot more information from the previous scan. And it's also a lot more efficient to use. So we'll walk you through that functionality now, and we hope you enjoy it. Now, Add to Scan enables us to just patch a small piece. So it'll just add the particular area you scan on top of the existing scan to get you much quicker results, much more accurate outcomes, and it carries across our grid and our cut history. So you'll see here I have a project that includes a grid and a cut history, and we'll do an example of adding a couple of markers and then a couple of strips of tape, like so. Having added tape and markers, now instead of being forced with Update Scan to scan the whole thing, now we have Add to Scan, which enables us to just scan the area of interest. It will be laid on the top and we can continue working. So you'll see here the tape are being picked up, and then down here we see the markers. And when I hit finish, you'll notice all of my grid, my cut history, the previous scan, plus the patched Add to Scan new area will all exist in the new scan. So if I move over here, you'll see I see my markers. And if I zoom out, you'll see the new tape. All of the previous tape, you'll see out here, the grid and the cut history. So that's Add to Scan. You can tell a lot of thought's gone into that, and hopefully updating scans is a lot cleaner and a lot simpler for you in the field.